Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Exodus. First, open your Exodus wallet and navigate to the Buy and Sell section. This feature allows you to purchase various cryptocurrencies directly within the application using several convenient payment options, such as credit card, debit card, or bank account. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use, making crypto acquisition accessible for everyone. Once in the Buy and Sell area, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, choose your payment method, which could be a bank transfer or credit card, and enter the amount you wish to spend. The app will show you the estimated crypto amount you will receive. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, just like you wouldn't trust your crypto to a flimsy wallet, don't trust your feet to cheap socks. I highly recommend darn tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before finalizing, always review the transaction summary. This includes the amount of crypto you're buying, the total cost, and any applicable fees. Exodus itself does not charge transaction fees, but network and processing fees apply. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase. Your new cryptocurrency will then be processed and deposited directly into your Exodus wallet, usually within 5 to 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.